we're going to be installing this Nissan LED Emblem. Originally I wanted just white on white, but they were in back order for a while, so they had the other option that goes from blue for 12 seconds and then turns to white. I'm going to show you how to wire it up since I cannot find any videos of that. So my plan was to have it wired in here, so when this turns on, that's when it turns on, which usually at night it turns on automatically. So with that too, I wedged the wire into that connector, and you're just gonna connect it right there. So once you wedge the connector in there, that's how it will look. Just to make sure, test it, you just turn on the corner light, turns on, and that's gonna turn it on. And of course, make sure you have a multimeter to make sure that's where it's getting power. The next step is to take out all 13 clips. So the original emblem is held by clips. All you need to do is stick a finger in here on this side, and you're going to push outward, and then it should come out. Don't let this process scare you. We are going to have to drill a hole right here, and we made a spot to run the wire through there. Alright, this is how it looks. And they always turn on when the corner lights turn on. So there you have it.